If your Toyota has the VSC light and TRAC OFF light staying on or flashing, here's what I would check first before spending money at a repair shop. Start with the gas cap. Make sure it's tight and clicks into place. Check the cap and the seal for damage too. If the check engine light is also on, a fuel system problem can sometimes cause the VSC and TRAC OFF lights to appear. Next, check the battery. If the battery is weak or the voltage has been low, Toyota can sometimes turn on several warning lights at the same time. If you recently had a dead battery or replaced the battery, keep that in mind. Then check the ABS sensors around the wheels. Look at the wiring and connectors near each wheel. Make sure nothing is broken, loose, corroded, or rubbing against the tire or suspension. I would also check the brake lights. Make sure both brake lights are working properly. A problem with the brake light switch can affect the traction control and stability control systems. Next, check all 4 tires. Make sure the tire pressures are correct and that the tires are the correct size. A large difference in tire size or pressure can affect the wheel speed readings. If your ABS light is on together with VSC and TRAC OFF, pay extra attention to the wheel sensors, wiring, and wheel bearings. Also think about anything that was recently done to the vehicle. Was the battery disconnected? Were the wheels aligned? Was the steering wheel removed? Was suspension or brake work performed? After an alignment or battery disconnect, the steering angle system may sometimes need to relearn its position. Now, after you've found and repaired the problem, you can try a simple reset without a scanner. Turn the vehicle completely off, wait a few minutes, and start it again. Then take a short, careful drive and see if the VSC and TRAC OFF warning lights turn off. If the lights stay on, don't keep resetting them without finding the cause. The vehicle is most likely still detecting a problem. At that point, an ABS or engine diagnostic scanner can help identify the exact fault and clear the warning after the repair. And remember, when the VSC or traction control system is disabled, the vehicle may not have the same level of stability or traction assistance. So drive carefully, especially in rain, snow, or on slippery roads. If your VSC and TRAC OFF lights are on right now, comment your Toyota year and model, and tell me which other warning lights are showing. I'll help you figure out what to check first.